To change the battery, remove the battery access door using a 3/8 socket. Locate the positive and negative battery cables, loosen and disconnect. Next, locate the battery bracket. Loosen and remove the battery bracket using a 7/16 socket. Remove the old battery. Reinstall the new battery. Reattach the battery bracket. First, reconnect the positive battery cable. Then, reconnect the negative battery cable. Finally, reattach the battery access door. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.